Good morning, students. Welcome to DLB Learning Point. Let's start journey with me. Today, I shall start an article. The article name is Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking was a well-known British physicist. He received his formal education in physics from University of Oxford and acquired a doctorate in general relativity and cosmology from the University of Cambridge. At the age of 21, he was diagnosed with Lou Gehrig's disease, which gradually paralyzed him. He lost his ability to speak as a result of his paralysis. He was able to communicate using a speech generating, generating gadget. He operated its switch with his hand. When he lost control of his hand, he began to use his cheek muscle to operate it. He was the first physicist who predicted that black holes emitted radiation. He was a professor of mathematics at the University of Cambridge for nearly 30 years. He published several books on various aspects of science. Hawking was born in Oxford on 8 January 1942. His parents were Isobel and Frank Hawking. He had three siblings. They are Robert, Lucy, and Timothy. Later, the family moved at St. Albans, Hertfordshire. Hawking attended St. Albans School. He initially struggled with his classes, but gradually, with the help and encouragement of his teacher, Dikrant Tahta, he excelled in mathematics and science. He made medal planes and he made model planes and even a computer from spare electronic parts. After the school education, Hawking attended the University of Oxford. His aim was to acquire a degree in mathematics as the college offered no such course. He opted for physics only. Academically, he continued to excel. He participated in various extracurricular activities too. He was a member of university college boat club. However, he did not possess the most admirable study habits. Therefore, he found his final exams quite tough. His result showed that he stood between a first and second class degree. Hence, he had to appear for an oral examination to determine his final result. The examiners considered him a highly intelligent young man and decided that he deserved a first class degree. That enabled him to join the University of Cambridge to do his doctorate in general relativity and cosmology. It was around this time that he received a diagnosis of Lou Gehrig's disease. The doctors believed that he had only 2 more years to live. This made him go through a state of depression. However, his disease progressed more slowly than first predicted. Therefore, he decided to continue his studies. He also made a lot of lifestyle changes to overcome the health related difficulties caused by the disease. In 1973, he joined the teaching staff of the University of Cambridge. With every passing year, his list of accomplishment grew. During his career, he received 12 honorary. degrees in various fields of study, numerous awards in the field of physics, and various honors including the Presidential Medal of Freedom. It is a highest civilian award in the USA. He was also the author of best-selling books such as A Brief History of Time and the Universe in a Nutshell. Stephen Hawking lived with his disease for over 50 years. He passed away in Cambridge at the age of 76 on 14 March 2018. If Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and share.